The lame walk, the blind sees, the barren conceive and bear her children. The City of Praise invites you to 2022 crossover service. Theme Divine Acceleration. Day Friday, 30th December 2022. Time 8 p.m. till midnight. Ministering UT the Royal Crown with your host Evangelist Dr. Pat AKPABIO.
He is never late. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I am with you until the conclusion of the system.
Physical location 153 Edet Akman Avenue, 4 Lane, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. You can also join us in our weekly activities every Thursday 5 p.m. and on Sunday 4 p.m. For one-on-one and inquiry, please call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen. It is time for your divine acceleration. Don't miss it. Jesus is Lord.